Okay, so this is how you do it properly. So you don't have to write this down if you don't want, because there'll be a video on there very soon. So doing stratified sampling properly. E.g., I want 50 students. Let's say I want some red jumpers or some blue jumpers. Let's say there's 540 of them. Let's say there's 360 red jumpers and there's 400 sixth formers. Okay? Right, this is what to do. We've got to get 50 students. First of all, you do a total. So step 1 is total. Yeah? Step 2 is fractions. Take your figures and make them fractions. So 54 out of 130, is everyone cool with that? That's just 540 over 1300. Then 36 over 130. Then 40 over 130. That's step 2, make fractions. Step 3, fractions times sample size. So our sample size is 50. So 54 over 130 times 50. 36 over 130 times 50. 40 over 130 times 50. Work them out in your calculator. And now step 4 is a sensible answer. Okay, what's my sensible answer? The 50 people should be... How many red? Lulu, how many red? I got 20.76. How many red jumpers should I take? It's easier than you think, it's 21. Yeah? Scarlett, how many... Oh, wait on. That's blue. Scarlett, how many red should I have?
You should have 14.
14? And how many sixth formers should I have? 15. Does that add up to 50? Yes, it does. There we go. So that's how you do it. Is everyone clear on that? Step 1, so set out your totals vertically. Step 1, make the total. Use the total to make fractions. Times the fractions by the sample size. Take your decimals and present a sensible answer. Is everyone cool with that? So your 50 people should be 21 blue, 14 red, and 15 sixth formers. That's how to do stratified sampling properly. So our heart's in the right place. We're going to get some blue, some red, and sixth formers. This is making sure that we do it proportional to how many there are within the school population. Does anyone want to ask any questions about that? Yep?
How do you make 1,300 out of fraction?
I took these numbers and I just turned them into fractions. So instead of just 540, it's 540 out of 1300, which I've written there. It's just I simplified it a bit. Yeah? Look, Georgia?
What would kind of be the question if this is in the exam? What would the question
Oh, it's literally just somebody wants to interview 50 students. They want to make sure they've got blue jumpers, red jumpers, and sixth formers. How many should they take?
Okay.
And then they'll give you these figures so that you've got something to make your fractions with. Any other questions?